In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create diagonal and slanted animated video backgrounds in Canva. We'll build a clean modern moving background you can reuse behind titles, intros, or social posts, using only Canva's built. In Tools, I'll walk you through the setup, the design, and the motion so everything looks smooth and professional. First, start a new project by choosing a video design at 1920 by 1080. Picking a video canvas is important because it gives you the timeline and animation options you'll need in the editor. Next, head to Elements and search for terms like diagonal line, slanted rectangle, or abstract shapes. Choose a shape that suits your style and rotate or resize it until it cuts across the frame diagonally. For more depth, stack a few shapes in different colors and thicknesses. Extend the shapes slightly past the edges so you don't see gaps at the borders. Consider using colors from your brand or a high-contrast palette so the movement reads clearly on screen. When your diagonal layout looks the way you want, download it as a PNG with a transparent background. This flattens the design into a single clean asset while keeping the background see-through, which makes animation easier and avoids stray edges. After the download finishes, upload that PNG back into your project. Place it on the canvas and stretch it to fill the entire frame. This becomes your moving foreground layer. Now animate it with a custom motion path. Select the uploaded shape, click Animate on the top toolbar, and choose Create an Animation. Click and drag the graphic diagonally across the frame to draw the path. Hold the Shift key while you drag to keep the motion perfectly straight. In the animation options, set the motion to steady so the speed stays smooth and consistent from start to finish. To control how fast the diagonal element moves, click on the page and open the timer or duration control. Shorten the scene to make the movement quicker, or lengthen it for a slower, more subtle effect. Preview the animation and make small adjustments until the pacing feels right. When you are happy with it, go to Share, choose Download, and select MP4 video. This exports your animated background as a ready-to-use video file you can drop under text, logos, or footage in any project. That's it. Thanks for watching.